Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver 25 on Oracle Linux. Then we will connect PostgreSQL and MySQL server from the DBeaver. Okay, first open any web browser, open Firefox, then go to DBeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. Hit enter. See here we have the two types of versions, DBeaver Community and DBeaver Pro. DBeaver Pro is the paid one. See that latest release is DBeaver 25. Click on download under DBeaver Community. See, the version is DBeaver Community 25.0. Scroll down. For Oracle Linux, we have to download this Linux RPM package. Click on it. Wait a moment, download will be started. See here, download started and its size is 126 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads, ls. See here, we have the DBeaver RPM package. We have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh, then give the RPM package name. Give the first 2-3 letters of the RPM package. Give the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. See, it is installing. See here, CE means community action. See, we have successfully installed. Go to activities, then show applications. See here, we have the DBeaver CE. Okay, open it by clicking on it. See, it's opening. ls, this file is not required anymore, so remove it. rm, give DBeaver, give the tab, hit enter. ls, we have cleared the space. Now go to DBeaver. Do you want to create sample databases? No. Now we can select the database, or click on this plus button, that is new database connection. Then select the database server. I have installed PostgreSQL on this PC, so select PostgreSQL, then click on next. See here in host we have to give localhost because I have installed PostgreSQL on this PC. If it is installed on some other PC, then you can give the host name or IP of that machine. Port number 5432, database Postgres, show all databases, then username Postgres, provide the password of this Postgres user, whatever user here we have given. Then click on text connection. Now it will ask us to download the drivers. So click on download. See, it is downloading drivers. See, successfully connected. Click on OK. Click on finish. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. Expand databases. Right click on database, select SQL editor, then open SQL console. Here we can run the queries. Select star from customer. I have one table. Select it and click on this execute button. See, you got the output. Okay, this is the way to connect to PostgreSQL. If you want to disconnect, right click, then disconnect. If you want to delete this connection, right click, delete. Yes, close this one. Now we will see how to connect to MySQL server. Click on again this plus button, then select MySQL, then click on next. Here same way we have to give server host, the port number. I have database banks, then username, provide the password of this user, then click on test connection. Again we have to download drivers. See, we got the error, public travel is not allowed. It's okay. Click on OK. Click on finish. Now right click, edit connection. Then go to driver properties. Then allow public key retrieval. By default it is false, so select it as change it to true. Then click on OK. Then right click and connect. See, green means we have successfully connected. Expand databases. See here we have databases. Right click, SQL editor, open SQL console. Now verify the version of the MySQL that we have installed. Select version, put semicolon, then click on this execute button. See, I have installed MySQL 8.0.41. Okay, this is the way to connect to MySQL server. Let me disconnect, close this console, remove it. So in this video we have seen how to install DBeaver on Oracle Linux. Then we have seen how to connect to PostgreSQL and MySQL from the DBeaver. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.